Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a review on the BimmerHause Performance turbos. You can see twin turbos right here. So before the video starts, I just want to say that this video is mainly going to be about the quality and my first thoughts on the turbos while they are outside. Obviously, it's going to be different once I start running them and we put them to a test. But for right now, I just want to do a quick overview on how they look, the quality of them, and how they're overall designed. These are the turbos right here. We can see they're from these guys right here, BimmerHause Performance. Talk to them, great guys. These are pretty pricey. If you do want to go twin turbo, this is probably the best option you have for twin turbos, because you have other companies like Vargas, BTT, I forget who else, or just the China ones that are just really cheap. These, however, are completely built, from what I know, from what the guys told me, is that they're completely built from scratch, balanced and everything. We can see we have balance marks, I guess, with the marker. They have a specific design manifold, we can see, and we can see the turbine right here, or for the hot side, is also different. And apparently the wastegate is also upgraded. Let me show you guys the mess I have going on right here and how I'm gonna make these things fit on the 135i. So if you guys didn't know, the rear turbos are different on 335s versus 135s. Main thing being, we have two rear turbos, and the thing that changes is the wastegate. This wastegate is here. This wastegate is more like over here. Maybe you can see it from this side, but we can see how this one goes across the turbo right here. This one goes like from the bottom of the turbo up. But I did find a way around it. I do have these old turbos here for my 335, and the turbos we did get are supposed to be for a 335, so we're going to retrofit them by putting a 335i coolant hose right here. This coolant hose here is from the 335i, but these turbos are going to go into the 135i. And you need a coolant hose and the outlets. I'm going to put them against the turbos I bought about 2 years ago. These things have 30,000 miles on them. These are honestly really good. I got them from Speedy something on eBay. They're really good. They kind of look like the new ones, but the new ones just look a lot more beefy, we can see. So if you guys are still watching the video, I'm guessing you guys are pretty interested in the turbos, so make sure to go check out BimmerHause Performance. I will have a link down below in the description, and make sure to use code MenjiCar for 10% off any purchase. They do have also an overdrive kit that is amazing if you have an N54, N55. We'll be making a video separately as well. They have, this is the version 4, which is like the newest one, but we can see the manifold is like a 2-piece manifold. But we can see the size of this is pretty thick compared to like other 19Ts, 17Ts. But then there's this. Look at these runners right here. They're like way more thicker. We can see that. And then right here, it doesn't look like it bottlenecks as much. Right here, it looks like it kind of gets a little skinny. Right here, stays nice and fat. So other than that, these turbos are decent, but they're obviously not these. These are way better, obviously, but they're a lot more pricey. Main reason being, like I said, they take them apart, they balance the CHRA, put their upgraded turbine and everything. You can see there's no play at all. No play at all. Spin nice. But only one way to find out is actually installing them, I guess. But for the most part, I can already tell by the manifold just being a lot more beefy compared to these version 4s, which these are good, like I said, but they're not as good as these. And then here's the stock one. Obviously this is stock. Stock is okay. So I guess if you, depending on what your power goals are, if you want reliability, I would definitely go with the BimmerHause ones, just for reliability, power and everything. You get what you pay for, I guess. You got the eBay version V4s. These are decent, but pick your poison. You want to spend more money, more quality, or be cheap and get something, I guess, decent. This is how it's looking like, a lot better. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be having more updates and more other mods I will be adding onto this build.